Air conditioner repair. Troubleshooting your unit. For example, if your AC unit is blowing air, but not cooling, maybe it's dirty and not in need of complete air conditioner repair. This is a relevantly easy process that you can do yourself. Simply turn off your air conditioning unit and the breaker unit. Clear away any vegetation away from your outdoor condenser unit. This step will help get rid of anything that may be impeding the airflow of your condenser unit and causing it to not work properly. Next, remove the protective grills from the unit, being careful of the fans so you don't disturb any wires. Next, you can clean any dirt and vacuum with a furniture attachment. Finally, spray any remaining dirt away, being careful to protect the motor and wires from the spray. You can cover the areas you want to protect from overspray with a garbage bag or plastic sheeting material. Finally, before you put it all back together again, you can lubricate the motor, being careful to not over-lubricate the unit. If you have an owner's manual, you should check to see if this step is recommended or not. Once you get your unit reassembled, you can test your unit to see if this fixed the problem by restoring power to the unit. Let your unit run a little while and then test the pipes that attach to the main unit on the air handle. If one feels warm and one feels cool, the unit should be blowing cool air again. If the unit is still blowing warm air, you may need to have a HVAC tech come out and check to see if the refrigerant needs to be refilled by a professional. Other common problems that require the attention of an air conditioner repair professional include a unit that is cycling too fast and not cooling the room, or a unit that is making the room too cool or leaving a wet feel to the air instead of a cool feel. Other common signs of trouble include a unit that is running but leaving pools of water under the AC unit, or making too much noise during operation. These are all issues best explored by a trained air conditioner repair technician who is familiar with your unit and can quickly troubleshoot the potential problems. Baltimore air conditioner repair isn't the sort of thing to be left to amateurs and is the job for the pros. Learn more about it at http://levelheating.com/article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Anna_Woodward/51851